part 8. So the baby bird has grown by leaps and bounds, and today you can actually see the colors of their coats. Alright, so the two beaks are hanging over there on the left and the body is on the right. And the sun is shining now, so at least we have good lighting there in the patio. But one more week and they will be full grown and leave the nest, and then the mother will live in this nest who knows for how long. The last nest over there, see that spinning thing over there, right there with that nest at the center bottom. Yeah, she was there for a good 4 or 5 years. So this nest is new, and we'll see if she comes back to have more children here. But these two are just chilling, waiting for mommy to come back and feed them. And now the bigger they get, the more they eat, and mama bird is probably just flabbergasted harvesting food for them. I hope she comes back during this footage. We can only wish. Well, you can see two of them, two beaks, right? And they're like, half of the body hangs out, of the nest now, of each. Insane. Yep. And she was just feeding them constantly, every half hour. Mother bird's never home. She's home for 3 seconds and she's off. I've never seen how hard, a creature works to raise their young. So as for Homo sapiens, we're going to raise them for 30 years. Maybe a little less. But these day and age, it seems that way. It's supposed to be to 18. But for these hummingbirds, 30 days. 30 days, and you're going to be on your own. Alright, we'll keep you posted. Bye-bye.